Two of the newest features in DVI Suite 2.3 need some configuration in order to enable them in your system. The first one is the checklist. We'll go through enabling the new checklist, setting up the checklist groups, and then connecting those items to those checklist groups. We'll also review how to add service writer and technician pictures and bios. In order to make the configuration changes necessary, you'll need to log into your RODVI command as an administrator. In my case, that's the owner. Once logged in, click on Configuration and then click on Options under Checklists. Once you're in Options, change that first drop down from number 1 to number 2. This enables the new checklist. You'll see that the screen changed to provide you some additional options. Let's go ahead and leave all of those checked at this time. But just to be aware, if you needed to come back and turn off service writer pictures from showing or technicians pictures from showing, this is where you would make that change. Be sure to click Save before leaving this window. Now that we've enabled the new checklist, we need to configure the groups and then configure the items to connect to those groups. In order to configure the groups, click on Configuration, then Groups. Once in Groups, click Add New Group, give it a group name, provide a display order, which is the order in which it will show on the checklist for the customer, and click Save. After you've added all of the groups you'd like, click on Items on the left-hand side to assign those groups to items. To add your items to the groups you just created, click Edit next to the item you'd like to adjust, assign a group, and click Update. Then you will repeat that for each of your items so they are associated to the group. Now that your checklists have been updated, we need to add service writer and technician bios and pictures. Let's start with updating technicians. Click on Technician Information from the left side of the screen. Once there, click on a technician. Within this window, click Choose File to add a technician image and then click Save Image. As well, under Information, that box in the center, you can add the technician's bio. And right under the information, click Save Information. Repeat this step for each technician you have listed to give them pictures and bios. Now that you've learned how to update a technician, it works the same to update your service writer. Click on Service Writer Information on the left-hand side and update the service writer's information. As we did with the technicians, we'll add an image by clicking Choose File and then Save Image, and then update the bio under Information and click Save Information. Now you are ready to use your updated checklists when working with your customers.